Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to have a look at doing DHCP using the JWeb interface. So let's have a look at our topology here. We have VPC2 or PC2 is connected to GE001, and we also have here, let's double click on that and get the VPC1. Let's do make it bigger for you. Let's do an IP DHCP, and we will get nothing on here because we don't have an IP address allocated to G1 on the firewall. Let's quickly add that on while we're here. Okay, so let's go to configuration mode, to set interface GE 0/0/1 unit 0 family inet, and we'll put the address as 192.168.200.1/24, and let's commit that. Okay, great stuff. And let's have a look at the configuration again, just to ensure that we don't have anything else set up. So as you can see, our local server, we only have GE000. Fantastic. So let's bring up Chrome, which I have here on a Docker. Okay, that's fine. Let's reload this page. So I'll have to probably log back in again, and it should show me the current DHCP server that we have. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, it's just come up there. So we can see that we have our pool of C1. We have our network address 192.168.100.0. It's in the master routing table. We can see we have our group here of LAN and what interface is connected to, and it can show us here what's actually been assigned. So let's have a look and attempt to create another one. So let's create another pool. Okay, so here we go. So pool name, we're going to call this C2 for the pool name, and for the address we're going to do 192.168.200.0. Oops, 192, where's my full stop? Full stop will be here in a second. Right, so 168, it's still playing around a little bit. 168, and then it's going to be .200.0. Okay, and that's a /24. Brilliant. Okay, so let's have a little look, and we can put our low and high ranges in here now by clicking on the range address range. So let's do low. So we've got 192.168.200.1, which we don't want. Let's start it at, say, 23, and let's finish it at, say, 81. Fantastic. Okay, so let's OK that. Oh, and didn't put the name of the range in. So we put this as range 2, R2, and then click OK and OK. All right, so we now have our second range in there, and now we need to do our DHCP groups. So let's add a new group in. Be very careful, if you click the X, then it will actually delete them. So let's name this one LAN 2, and now we're asking us what interface we want to use on here. So you notice that you can't have more than one group on an interface, which is why the GE000 interface is no longer showing. It's showing the GE001. So, and okay, that's it. Great stuff. Okay, sorry, I forgot you need to press it across. There we go. Just wait for that to go through. Shouldn't take long, a couple of moments, and then we should be okay. Okay, so that's now gone through LAN 2 on Giga Ethernet 001. Fantastic. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to commit this, and then we should start to see some information being populated. But let's have a look at the configuration again on the device, just to ensure that, there you go, it looks like it's mostly there. Let's have a look, scroll down a bit more and see whether it's actually put that in. C1 and C2, there we go. Now that was really weird because I didn't actually commit this. How very odd. Okay, let's commit that anyway. Now that should not, the JWeb shouldn't have actually have done that. It should have actually waited until it's committed before it would actually do anything, which is a bit strange. But okay, never mind. But anyway, that's still how we configure it via the JWeb. So let's have a little look and see if PC2 can get an IP address. And what have we got? 192.168.200.23. Fantastic. Okay, so there you go. While again this is not in the curriculum, you know, in the real world you may be asked to do some basic DHCP scope. Now we know DHCP is a lot more involving than just doing this. You know, this is just basic DHCP, but still it's good to know it from my point of view. Okay, you have a great day and thank you for watching.